Hello and welcome. I recently made my first Holo taco purchase, so today I'll be unboxing my haul, sharing my first impressions, and also doing swatches of the Fire and Ice collection that I purchased. Thanks for being here. Please consider subscribing. This is cute. So far, I'm really enjoying the packaging. I like these foam inserts. They keep the polishes really nice and secure. And here I've got the peely base as well. So I actually first heard about Holo Taco from one of my friends, and she talked about how funny and awesome the peely base videos were. So obviously I had to pick up some peely base to try. Now that I'm looking at these, I'm kind of upset I haven't tried Holo Taco before this because this holographic labeling is really awesome. So shout out to my bestie Melissa for telling me about Holo Taco, and I'm sorry I didn't try it sooner. Alright, back to the nail lacquers. So this is a Fire and Ice collection. It consists of 2 cremes and 3 iridescent shimmers. We've got Cold Slate, Hot Take, Halogen Glow, Scorched Earth, and Freezer Burn. So we're going to open all these up to take a closer look at the bottles. I'm going to be honest with you, every time I've seen photos or videos, I haven't been super impressed with what the bottle looked like. It didn't excite me, but now that I'm seeing these in person and touching them, I'm actually really impressed. So the bottle brush, little handle, the brush handle, it is like a grippy matte kind of texture, and it actually feels pretty luxe. So here they are. I'm just going to play with these a little bit more to show you the beautiful holographic labeling. Five lacquers, 5 fingers. So what I'm going to do is the 2 cremes on my thumb and pinky, and then I'm going to do the 3 shimmers in the middle, just so you can see them next to each other. I'm thinking Halogen Glow and Scorched Earth look a little similar, so I would really like to see them right next to each other to really compare properly. I've already prepped my nails. Here I've got the CND sticky base. I especially like using it when I'm using colors like red that stain, but it is my #1 favorite base coat, and I will link it in the description below. Starting off with Hot Take, right away I noticed that it has the medium round brush, which I'm a fan of. I don't usually like skinny brushes, so that's always a good sign. And it is described as a bright orange leaning red polish, full coverage in 2 coats. First coat's looking great. I definitely think I'll need a second coat, but we will let this dry and move on. Next up we have Cold Slate, which is the second creme of this collection, and it is described as a muted slate blue gray polish, full coverage in 2 coats. Here we have a little magic happening, and spoiler alert, this is also my favorite color in this collection because even though it's described as a 2-coater, I only need 1. It looks that good that I am not even going to bother doing a second coat. Look at that! I am going to jump in with that second coat of Hot Take here pretty soon, but I wanted to tell you my plan with the shimmers. I was going to do Freezer Burn, Halogen Glow, and Scorched Earth in that order, just to keep the warm near warm and the cool near cool and get a nice little ombre effect. And because the shimmers are so sheer, I decided to do the first coat off camera. Second coat of Hot Take coming in hot. The second coat looks great. It's a really nice self-leveling 2-coat formula. As I mentioned before, I already did the first coat of the shimmers off camera. They're pretty sheer, so I didn't really want to waste any time doing that. I'm only going to do 2 coats total, just check that they're dry, and we're going to go in with Freezer Burn, which is described as a blue indigo iridescent shimmer topper with a clear base. I did want to point out that the shimmers have the skinny brush, they don't have the wide brush like the cremes, but they still applied very nicely, so no complaints. Next up is Halogen Glow, which is described as a yellow, pink, green iridescent shimmer topper in a clear base. And last but not least, we have Scorched Earth, which is described as a red-orange iridescent shimmer topper in a clear base. Final thoughts. I like Holo Taco, and this is definitely not going to be my last purchase. I did pick up a couple other colors that I didn't show, a few from the Holo Barista collection, and also Circuit Breaker, because silver holographic awesomeness. But anyway, fire nice, awesome, happy with the formulas, happy with the shimmer toppers, excited to play with them some more. Thanks for watching!